Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using Fil. Fil is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of spacetime. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014, with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Filecoin. Let's start with the news about Dharma Capital, which launched a CFTC-regulated swap based on Filecoin. Digital asset manager Dharma Capital announced the launch of Filecoin Asset Use Swap, FOSS, the first Filecoin-based swap of its kind. Dharma Capital has secured product approval from the CFTC. A financial instrument involves the exchange over a certain period of time by two parties of cash flows generated by two different assets. With the launch of FOSS, the firm will be able to lend $100 million worth of Fil tokens in its possession to customers. The Medium post, he outlined a scheme that would incentivize users to watch content about the Russian invasion. For their attention, they would be rewarded in either Bitcoin or Ethereum. Naturally, the internet computer would be the primary vehicle on which this plan would be executed. After Filecoin and internet computer, VeChain and EOS have also mounted large rises. The VET token powering the VeChain network is currently up nearly 20%, while EOS's eponymous token is enjoying a rise of more than 16% over the past 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap. And Bitcoin's whopping market share of the entire industry, its rise has been the primary motor behind the wider recovery in the markets. It remains to be seen how long the bulls can maintain control, however. And second news, Gitcoin grants have raised more than $1 million in Ethereum for Ukraine. As the military conflict between Ukraine and Russia continues, WEB3 has stepped up for Ukraine, sending nearly $100 million in crypto donations to the Ukrainian government and NGOs operating in the region, according to Ukraine's Ministry of Digital Transformation. Now Gitcoin, the platform that rewards coders with crypto, is adding its support by hosting a fundraising campaign called GR13. Running from March 9 to March 24, GR13 is a pool of grants under the Gitcoin banner that includes a pool to benefit Ukraine. GR13 is the 13th quadratic funding round Gitcoin has launched, and Gitcoin co-founder Scott Moore tells Deckert it's part of our move to donate to more real-world causes. The Ukraine-specific pool of GR13 has raised just over $1 million in funding to support Ukraine as of Thursday evening. WEB3 projects Polygon, Algorand, ENDS, Uniswap, Ulanpuzdao, Nounsao, OpenSea, Radical, ZK Tech, and Open Gaming have all joined Gitcoin's GR13 initiative by offering matching funds of their own, in varying amounts. Nounsao, ENDS domains, and Filecoin are among the projects that have donated to the Ukraine pool, specifically. It simply sets out to equalize that the token wasn't being discussed even during the bull market. To put it simply, Filecoin hasn't been getting attention from the investors who are willing to make money. Amidst all the negative signs, it's important to note that the development activity has been on a rise, despite the massive fall in price. In fact, the Filecoin team seems to be leveling up its game post-December 2021. At the time of this analysis, the development activity stood strong at 48.45 counts. However, it remains to be seen if the development activity alone can take Fil up the price charts. And second, use Filecoin. Will the next couple of months usher in an uptrend? Filecoin, Fil, has vigorously lost most of its value in the last year since its April 2021 high. In the last 6 months, bulls could barely initiate a sustainable rally and succumb to the long-term bearish trendline resistance, white-dashed. The alt now aimed to enter into a tight phase in the $18-$20 mark before testing its critical support and making a trend-comical move. At press time, Fil traded at $18.38, down by 2.37% in the last 24 hours. The token is still nearly 90% down from its all-time high of $237.24 set back in April 2021. Phil's uptick is primarily due to the broader bullish trend in the markets, but its price action could also be attributed to a new accelerator program, launched in partnership with Techstars and Protocol Labs, the team behind both Filecoin and the Interplanetary File System, IPFS. The accelerator will pair 12 different startups with Techstars' network of mentors and investors to build blockchain projects using Filecoin. Likewise, Internet Computer has also jumped more than 15%. Its native token ICP is currently trading at 20 participants from China. The company is counting on interest from residents of the US, Europe, and Australia. The first group of FOSS participants increased the network capacity by 600 PB. Recall that in January, the CFTC fined the Polymarket prediction platform $1.4 million for servicing trading in over-the-counter binary options without proper registration. Subscribe to Forklog News on Telegram. Forklog feed the entire news feed. Forklog the most important news, infographics and opinions. And second news today is Russia really about to cut itself off from the internet? The invasion of Ukraine has triggered a significant digital shift for Russia. Sanctions imposed by governments around the world together with company closures or mothballing have significantly impacted the country. A plethora of 2026 is bullish. Phil is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average Phil price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Phil's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12 for 2026. Phil price prediction 2027. Phil will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Filecoin price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Filecoin rate will be almost $180.24. The maximum bet we can get is $216.72. Filecoin average price prediction for the end of 2027 could be around $185.55. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin price prediction 2028. It looks like by 2028, Filecoin, Phil, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be $277.57. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Filecoin's maximum price could be up to $312.37 in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin price prediction 2029. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Filecoin could cross $472.60 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2029. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2029 will be around $407.27. Filecoin price prediction 2030. In 2030, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Filecoin will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $688.60 in 2030. The price ranges will be very trendy, if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $574.82 with a maximum price of $688.60 in 2030.